Did you know that not all inventory items are equally important for your business? Some products make up most of your profits while others barely move the needle. That's where ABC analysis comes in. In this video, we'll explore what ABC analysis is, how it works, why it's important, and how you can apply it to reduce costs and improve efficiency. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to separate your most valuable inventory from the rest and focus on what truly matters. What is ABC analysis? ABC analysis is a method of categorizing inventory based on value and importance. It's built on the Pareto principle, also called the 80-20 rule, which suggests that roughly 20% of your items contribute to 80% of your value. The Pareto principle can be applied to a lot of other places, but right now we're talking about inventory. So according to this rule, instead of treating every product the same, ABC analysis divides them into three categories. A items, high value, low quantity. These make up about 70 to 80% of total value but only 10 to 20% of items. B items, moderate value, moderate quantity, around 15 to 25% of value and 30% of items. C items, low value, high quantity. They might be 5% of value but 50% of items. The key idea over here is to focus most of your attention on the A items because that's where the money is. Here's how to conduct an ABC analysis step by step. First of all, you have to identify all items in your inventory. Then you have to determine annual consumption value for each item. That is done by multiplying annual demand units with unit costs. Then you have to sort items by annual usage value from highest to lowest. Then classify into A, B and C categories. A items top 70 to 80% of total value. B items next 15 to 25% of value. C items remaining 5 to 10% of value. Imagine a company selling 5 products. Product 1 has $50,000 annual value. Product 2 has $30,000, 3 has $15,000, 4 has $4,000 and 5 has $1,000. So product 1 and 2 are A items. Product 3 is B, product 4 and 5 are C items. This helps managers decide where to spend their time and money. ABC analysis is important because it improves cash flow by reducing investment in low value items, helps focus on critical items that drive profits, supports better forecasting and planning, optimizes warehouse space by giving priority to high value items, and helps set different policies for A, B and C categories. Once you have classified these items, you don't treat them accordingly. The inventory policies for A, B and C items are different. For A items, you have to do strict control and monitoring. You have to frequently reorder in small quantities. And you have to make sure you have accurate forecasting. High-level management involvement is also needed. For B items, you need moderate control, reorders less frequent than A, and regular monitoring. For C items, basic control, simpler systems, large orders, less frequent, and use simple stock checks. This tiered approach ensures resources are focused where they matter most. Of course, nothing is perfect. There are limitations of ABC analysis. The analysis only considers the monetary value, not factors like lead time, demand variability, or criticality. A low-value item like a $2 gasket might be vital for production, so it should not be ignored. It requires accurate and updated data. That's why many companies combine ABC analysis with other methods like VED, Vital, Essential and Desirable Analysis, or XYZ, based on demand variability. There are real-world applications of ABC analysis. Supermarkets classify fast-moving, high-value products as A items while slow sellers as C. In manufacturing, auto companies focus on expensive parts, engines, transmissions as A, while bolts and screws are C. In e-commerce, high-value electronics are A, mid-range accessories are B, and low-cost fillers are C. No matter the industry, ABC analysis helps focus energy where it counts. Best practices: to use ABC analysis effectively, You have to update classifications regularly. Market demand changes, combined with other methods for deeper insights. You have to automate analysis using ERP for inventory management software. You have to train staff to handle A items with extra care. Use ABC for not just inventory but also customers, suppliers, and sales analysis. ABC analysis is simple but powerful tool. It reminds us that not all inventory is created equal. A few items drive most of the results. By applying ABC, you'll save costs, improve efficiency, and sharpen your focus on what matters most. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more supply chain and business strategy videos, and let me know in the comments, do you use ABC analysis in your day-to-day life? That is the Pareto principle.